Hey everybody, today we've got one simple task, and that is to find queen cells and cut them out. Did the Demaree method on this hive last week, and so need to make sure we go up into the top 2 boxes and cut out those queen cells. Just in case, I'm going to check the bottom box as well, but we'll be pretty fast today. It's only about 63, 64 degrees today, which isn't terrible. But I don't want to spend a lot of time in here messing with them. Don't want to risk chilling any brood. All right, this hive is pretty tall. It's a little bit of a breeze that's blowing the smoke. This hive is pretty tall, so hopefully you can see this okay. Okay, let's go find some queen cells. Okay, we got some drone brood. Do not see any queen cells there. Unfortunately, I have to go through every frame. Okay, no queen cells there. No queen cells there. Nothing there, nothing there. A lot of drone brood. It's been 8 days since we did the Demaree maneuver. There's certainly a lot of brood there. See some nurse bees. That's a great looking frame. However, no queen cells. Ooh, there's one. There's a big one right there. Can you see that? Right here. See that one? So we're gonna take that and just squish it. Cut that out, because remember, we already have the queen down low. We don't need any more. Don't need any more queens. There was queens, or sorry, there were eggs here. A lot of drone brood. Just in case. Okay, we're on to the 3rd box. Now remember, this box didn't have any didn't have any larvae, eggs, brood. This was a brand new box of fully drawn comb. But I want to peek, see if they're putting anything in there. Putting some nectar in there. Good. We removed the 3rd box. Now we're going to get rid of the queen excluder. See all the drones right there? They can't get down. Well, they'll get off now. I've got the oxalic acid sponges on here. I want to see if I see any mites on there. Not right now. Okay, now we left the queen in this bottom box. I just want to see if they still have the urge to swarm, because we did see some queen cells last week. Just some pollen and some nectar. Looks good. It's pretty. Ooh, we got some queen cells right there, huh? A lot of larvae. I don't know if you can see that. A lot of larvae in there. Lots and lots of eggs in this one. I don't know if you can see all of those in there. Lots of little eggs. This queen's a machine. I haven't seen the queen yet, but I don't need to because we've seen her eggs. Just want to make sure we don't have queen cells down here. Got these little cups here. There's nothing in them so far that I've seen, but just in case I want to get rid of them. A lot of nectar, a lot of pollen. Nectar pollen, nectar pollen. Look at the different colors of pollen in there. Orange, yellow, some purplish. You can see the color of the pollen easily on that one, can't you?